Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Kim Kardashian grime. So first thing you're going to want to do is drop the opacity so you can see your line work on top of it. Then you will lock that layer and create a new one. I'm going to hurry and set up my brush really quick. Okay, now we're going to start our line work. It's going to look a little crazy, I know, but don't worry, I'm going to be going in and doing the hair later, so bear with me. I'm going to take my pen tool and start drawing the nose. Go back to my brush. Then we'll do the eyes. And I'm going to go to my pen tool and start drawing the eyelashes. And I'm going to make a new brush with my eclipse tool. So I'm just going to make a long oval, new brush, then you're going to click art brush. You can go ahead and delete that. Now we'll just add on to the eyelashes. And we'll drop the point size for the bottom eyelashes because those tend to be a little thinner. Now we'll do the other eye. Go back to my pen tool and start adding some bottom eyelashes. Then go back to my art brush, start adding some more eyelashes. Now we're gonna do the eyebrows. I'm just gonna go back to my pen tool for this. And then go back to my art brush. Drop the point size down to 0.5. And then drop the point size down to 0.25 for the inner part of the eyebrow. Now we'll do the other one. Go back to the pen tool. And go back to your art brush. Change the point size to 0.5. Now we'll do the lips. Now we'll start outlining your shoulders. Now I'm going to cut it off right here and start doing some grime work. Okay, now we'll start adding some more grime. Okay, now that all your line work is done, you'll highlight everything, come up to Object and Expand Appearance, and you'll come down to your Pathfinder and click Merge. Then you'll make a copy of that layer and lock the top copy. Then you'll make a rectangle that covers the entire artwork and pick your color. So for this one I'm going to go with the skin tone. And then once you have your color, you'll right click, come down to Arrange and click Send to Back. Then you'll highlight everything again and click Merge, and then right click the outer rectangle and click Isolate Selected Group, and then you can go ahead and click on the outer part again and go ahead and delete it. I'm going to make the eyes white. And these little pieces will be natural pale pink. Now for the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and add another layer and then shut off the layer with the color on it. Go in with your pen tool and just start drawing the hair. So once you have the hair done, you will select it all, cut it, go ahead and delete the layer you created because you don't need it anymore. Turn back on the color layer, unlock the top copy, and then you'll just Control F, and that just pastes the hair exactly where you cut it. And go ahead and lock the top layer again. Now we'll change the color of the lips. Okay, now I'm going to go in and make all of these little pieces black, like that. So I'll just go in and do that really quick. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and shut off the bottom layer. And this is what it looks like so far. So I'm going to go in and change these little pieces on the bottom to a darker skin tone shade. Now I'm going to go in and start doing some shading, just kind of framing the face with the pen tool. I'm going to go in and add some shading under the hair. And then I'll add some shading just below the chin. And do some shading behind the eyelashes. Now I'll start shading the lips with my pen tool. Okay, now I'll start shading all of the drops that I made. And before I do that, I'm going to highlight everything and lock it so that when I'm drawing my little shapes, I can just go ahead and highlight it all at the end and then just change the color of everything. It just makes it a lot easier. Now that I've got all those drawn, I'm just going to highlight them all and click on my eyedropper and click where some of the shading I've already done is. Now that all the shading is done, I'm going to go ahead and start doing the highlights on the hair. I'm just going to take my pen tool for that and just start creating a shape like this, like a zigzag shape. And I'm going to make it like a brown color, like that. Okay, now I'm going to start doing the highlights on the grime drops, and I'll just use a white calligraphic brush for that. there is my Kim Kardashian grime. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any suggestions, please drop a comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.